Alright, let's brawl! Break a dance, break a dance. Puncha! Scotto punch! Alright! How about some of this? Terga! Almost spin in my spin dash! Almost spin in my spin dash! Just kidding! Get stabbed. Karate kick! How about spin? I'm taking you out. I'm over here. I'm over here. Whoa. Yeah. Shimmy chop. Twist and shout. Hurry, Cormega! Oh, what the crap, what just happened? Must concentrate. Need sugar! I don't think so. I hope you're happy! Phew! Nice try. You're so noob! Haha, you're funny. Oh no! Dang it! No! Alright, now we're serious business. Aw, I want to do more. I must keep going. Oh yeah, break dance for the win. Looks like I'm the winner, Sandwich. Keep on practicing, buddy. I'm the best Brawl player of all time. Sorry, Iblis, but it's for your own good. Sorry, but yes isn't gonna help you. Scotty the Hedgehog approves. Sorry, Mega, but I'm better machinator than you. You'll win next time, eventually. Tigra, but you're more like a kitty than a tiger.